Imagine losing your hard earned money in seconds, all because of a simple mistake or a call that felt too urgent to ignore. Today, I will uncover the secrets of UPI scams and digital arrest frauds, revealing how these operate and how to stay safe from them with real world examples. One of the latest and popular scams begin with you receiving a random deposit, let's say 5,000. You are naturally curious and decide to check your balance. But here's the twist. When you open your UPI app and enter your PIN, the scammer has already triggered a withdrawal request, which gets approved instantly. Just imagine that you are a freelancer and you just completed a project. Suddenly, you receive 5,000 thinking it might be an advance of your next task. As you check your balance out of excitement, 50,000 vanishes from your account in seconds. This scam works because scammers rely on your immediate reaction. QR codes are everywhere, but not all of them are safe. Scammers send fake QR codes claiming it's for payment verification, and after that, the amount will be deposited to your account. You scan the code expecting money, but instead your accounts get debited. Think about an online seller trying to close a deal. The buyer asks them to scan a QR code to accept payment. But without realizing it's a scam, the seller scans the code and approves a 10,000 deduction instead of receiving funds. Scammers exploit trust and lack of verification in such cases. Another common trap is phishing links. You might receive a message saying verify your account to avoid deactivation. The link directs you to a fake website designed to look like your banks, stealing your login credentials when you enter them. Just take an example of college students receives an email appearing to be from their banks, warning them about an account suspension. Panicked, they click the link and enter their UPI credentials or bank details, unknowingly granting the scammers access to their account, and the money in their bank is gone before they even realize it. Here's how you can protect yourself from UPI scams. Wait at least 30 minutes before checking your balance after receiving unexpected deposits. This delays the scammer's withdrawal attempt. Always verify QR codes through your UPI app's secure scanner. It can help determining whether a QR code is safe or flagged for fraud. And always remember that you don't have to enter your UPI PIN to receive money or verify a deposit. Avoid clicking on links in suspicious messages or emails. Always access your bank account through official apps or websites. Enable transaction alerts to monitor real-time activity on your account. And always lock your UPI apps with a separate password for added security, instead keeping it same as of your UPI PIN. Let's move to the digital arrest scams. Imagine receiving a call from someone claiming to be a police officer. They accuse you of being involved in illegal activities and demand immediate payment to avoid arrest. They even send you a fake warrant via WhatsApp to make it look real. These scams prey on fear, urgency, and manipulate victims into paying to avoid legal trouble. Here's how it works. You receive a call from someone claiming to be a police officer or government official. They accuse you of being involved in illegal activities like money laundering or tax evasion. And to resolve the issue, they demand immediate payment via UPI or another online method. Picture this, you are at work and you get a call saying, "This is Inspector Sharma from Cybercrime Department. Your account is under investigation for illegal transactions," and the caller provides fake case IDs and threatens arrest unless you pay 50,000 immediately. You are scared, confused, and pressured into paying only to realize that it was a scam. Here's how you can avoid falling for this digital arrest trap. Stay calm. Scammers rely on your panic to manipulate you. Verify the caller's identity by contacting the concerned department directly through their official channels. Refuse immediate payments because legitimate authorities will never demand money over the phone. Report suspicious calls to your local police and block the number immediately. UPI scams and digital arrest frauds can happen to anyone. But awareness is your best defense. Stay informed, stay cautious, and don't let your fear cloud your judgment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned and stay safe.